Hello and welcome to the videos about the new QUINT Power of the 4th generation. In this video I want to show you what makes the QUINT Power so powerful and why it has the strongest output characteristic on the market. Every power supply should be able to deliver a stable output voltage and the nominal power. I think this is nothing special. Every power supply should be able to achieve this. But can you imagine the case that you have a system expansion? What will happen if you have to modify your system and add additional loads? This would mean that your power supply has to deliver more than the nominal power. And this is possible with the new QUINT Power. With the static boost, the QUINT Power is able to deliver additionally up to 25% of the nominal power. Furthermore, you get a preventive monitoring on the front of the power supply. The orange LED indicates that the application draws more than the nominal power. And do you know what will happen if you want to start up any heavy loads like DC motors or any capacitive loads or any loads with a high inrush current with a standard power supply? If your load draws a high current for a short time, then the output voltage of a standard power supply will break down and you could get an error. And such an error is difficult to locate. But this will not happen with the QUINT Power. There is a dynamic boost which will deliver up to 200% of the nominal power for 5 seconds and hold the output voltage stable. And here you can see the dynamic boost. The 5 ampere QUINT power supply delivers 10 amps for 5 seconds. This means you have a second virtual power supply for 5 seconds. And what about the protection of your application? How do you secure your system? With the SFB technology, the QUINT Power can provide 6 times the nominal current for 15 milliseconds and therefore it triggers standard circuit breakers reliably and quickly. It means that the faulty current paths are switched off selectively, the fault is located and the important system parts continue to operate. And in addition to the standard circuit breakers, you can also use glass fuses, electronic protection, or also no protection with the new fuse mode. And if you want to know more about the new QUINT Power, then watch my other videos regarding adaptable, preventive and robust.